know what to say. You just made me laugh and then I farted. I don't know what's wrong with me. Stop.
This isn't smell.
It smells like
Oh my god, your entire...
Anything else to add, Corinna? Corinna, did you just fart?
Was that you? That just farted?
I just tooted. Y'all can't stop me.
Or like this.
You farted. You farted! Oh my god!
I feel gassy just looking at this.
Was that a fart?
Yeah. I'm gonna fart. Totally just farted. I'm gonna fart for you guys. Oh, here comes another one.
Oh, I gotta fart. Wait, it's coming. Fart. It's gonna come. Fart time. Oh, that was silent. It said fart. Did you hear that? That shit was silent. Oh, I'm a fart. Why is it that every time I drink water, I feel like farting?
Jongens, wacht, ik hoor wat.
Sorry, this is what the... Oh my god, Chloe! Stop farting! Kiss my ass.
Well, if you insist.
That was her ass. What was that?
I don't know.
What'd you just do?
I didn't hear anything.
Wait.
Yeah, I was like, no, I have not.
No! Oh, you missed it.
I heard it. I
heard
felt
it?
the wind on my leg.
So, show them what you got.
Oh, it's not accepted by society to fart very loud in public. Be like, you know. So I had to hold in my farts for like an hour. I have gas. Like I need to fart really bad. I fart, you fart, we fart. We can fart together if you want.
Are you recording?
No.
Are you recording? I asked you for a reason.
I'm leaving this vlog now.
Go.
I'm sorry.
It was gassy. Oh, I was trying to poop earlier and I couldn't.
Like when she talks about... No, I'm serious.
You feel better? Are you serious right now?
What? What the fuck is that?
Oh my god, I'm about to fart. That's the nervous farts. Nasty girl.
That's a fart.
Wait.
I'm not a vice.
I'm about to fall.
I like cooking.
To anyone that's ever said, girls don't fart, I'm just gonna hit you with a little fact here in a second. Boom. There it is. Don't worry. My pants are still in one piece.
I just got home from work and I haven't really farted all day, but I think I've been holding that in for a while. So, usually they come on stronger within the day, so I'll just have to see how that goes. But yeah.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't think it would be that loud.
Here, fart camera's face.
I farted. High five. That was so on point.
That was really good.
I'm gonna fart again.
Stop.
What's the window?
Don't, guys, wait, I'll fart. That was a fart, but, I ate, pasta, and pasta does that to me, but anyway, oh, I'm gassy.
I ate the whole plate of pasta, and so did you.
I'm in love with the shape of.
I'm laughing to myself while making a video. That was such a good part. Oh my god.
I don't think you're ready. Hold on.
Må jo ha noen møbler til det fuglehuset, da, så fuglene kan ta morgenkaffen sin. Tenker jeg.
Good.
Hola cabros del Facebook, hoy me tiro un peo.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I have to fart.
Now we're gonna shake our little cotton tails.
Did you guys hear it? Doesn't smell like anything.
Like really nasty farts.
Did anybody hear that? It was not intentional, though. Almost.
I think I'm gonna pee my pants if I fart, but I'm gonna try. This fart goes out to you. That was a very good one. Oh, you're getting a fart. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, now. This is what I've got to say when you say family friendly. Oh no. It was the air one. Oops. I need to fart again. Respect me. I've been holding back a fart the whole video. Oh my gosh, I gotta let it out. Wait a minute. If you guys are wondering why I just readjusted my position, it's because I have to fart. Did you guys hear that? I can feel it. It's like right here right now. Whereas it's supposed to be like on the butt. I'm gonna take this and use it like a makeshift rolling pin. Like roll down the fart. Oh! Oh! Yo, it worked! It actually worked! I remember I was playing during the summer. Did you guys hear that?
I have a fart. Do you want to hear it? I'll blow it really loud for you. It actually made a sound! Oh my god, that's embarrassing, and it kind of stinks too. Did you hear that? Yeah.
I'm so sorry. That needed to come out.
I promise that was my foot.
Oh, maybe it's a poop.